Last time we looked at correlation, and we were looking at specifically regular gas and diesel gas prices, and we were looking for the correlation between the two. In the process, we calculated a number of things: sum of x, y, sum of x squared, sum of y squared. We found the sum and the mean. We're going to use a lot of those same calculations in this clip, which is the line of best fit. When we take a look at the line of best fit, it follows the form y equals a plus bx. A is the intercept and b is the slope. So we start out with a calculation. Ugly formula once again. It's the sum of xy. That's an old friend. We just calculated that last time in correlation. Xy was x times y. Each one of these is each x value times the y value, and then when we get that total, it's the sum of xy. So we can see that's 112.4149. That's this number. 1 over n is 1 over 10. Sum of x is the sum of the x values, 33.6. The sum of the y values is 38.5. When we plug those in, we get 129.3599. Then in the denominator, the sum of the x squareds. Again, this is x squared. When we sum that, it was 112.9512. And then we have 1 over 10 times the sum of x squared. Sum of x was 33.6. We square that number, divide it by 10, and we get 112.8960. We find this ratio, and it comes out to 0.9945833, which is the slope, which is our b from our equation. And we're going to just remember that. That's an important piece of it. Notice I haven't rounded anything off now. I'm going to try to just continue to carry all the digits as I do the calculations. Now we go down to A, which is the A, which involves the mean for y minus b times the mean for x. So this is a much simpler calculation. The mean for y was 3.85. The total was 38.5. We divided by 10 and get 3.85. The mean we just copy down. B we just copy down. And the mean for x was 3.36. We do that calculation, we get 0.508261. This is the intercept, remember. So the intercept goes here, 0.5083, plus the slope, which was 9946x. And then we come down to the final question. So that's the line of best fit. That's the equation. It's a line that has an intercept and a slope. And then we come down to this question, which is, suppose I have a regular price for gas of $3.40. What's our estimate for the diesel price? So we take $3.40, just simply plug it into the equation for x, compute the total, and it comes out to 3.89.